Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm back with a video which is of interest to everyone. I'm going to share how you can attract money and enjoy financial security and abundance. Isn't it interesting? Friends, don't you think money is the most powerful thing in this world? But the question is, can we really attract money? If the answer is yes, how to do it? We all know money brings security, freedom, comfort, and care, which are all so essential for happiness. We all are part of the universe. Universe is not partial. It cannot differentiate between rich and poor. It only understands thoughts. When you look around, don't you see nature in abundance of everything? The stars, plants, flowers, insects, animals, and so many other things. There is no lack in the universe. It only knows how to give fully without holding anything back. The trees don't hold back their fruits, the flowers don't hold back their buds, and the sun doesn't hold back its sunshine. Same way, wealth is also in abundance on this planet. The only thing is, if we know how to attract wealth, we could be in abundance too. We live in this vast universe which has its own laws. Friends, that law is the law of attraction. It applies to every living being on this planet equally. There is no discrimination. Through law of attraction, you can attract anything you want, like good health, good relationship, a dream job, your dream destination for traveling, money, anything you want. Just like a strong magnet attracts iron, we also should become a powerful magnet to attract anything in life. You know, when the universe understands the language of vibration, the vibration is the energy within your life. And there are only two energies universe understands: positive energy and negative energy. Now I'll share how to emit positive energy to attract money. So just listen very carefully till the end. First way is to have a positive mindset. Lack of positivity will block the flow of energy from the universe. Consider how you talk about money generally to other people. Do you think going after money is something selfish? So check your mindset and work on improving them. You should thank the gadgets, the electricity, the internet connection, and everything that's required to buy. This simple act will multiply your finance. The universe understands the language of energy. Second way is to stop worrying. I came to know that worrying is not going to make things easy. It will only multiply. Worrying is a negative energy, and worrying about money will only bring a lack of money. Even if you're facing lack now, never talk about it and multiply the energy of lack. Third way, friends, is to stop complaining to start attracting money. This is the most important thing. We complain about money unknowingly and unintentionally most of the time, isn't it? While paying bills, paying school fees, paying taxes, buying groceries, we complain about the price hike or feel bad to spend money on these things, isn't it? Instead, be thankful for those things. This is the best way to attract money. Fourth way is to offer gratitude. It is honestly the easiest way to attract anything in life. Start your day by offering gratitude for your life, for everything and everyone around you. Say out loud, thank you, universe. for any small thing you receive. Fifth way is share what you have. Sharing doesn't mean sharing only money and giving your financial help. If you don't have money now, you can share your smile, your love, your kindness, help, and words of encouragement with all the people around you. That will really help. And sixth way is to visualize the things you want. Visualize what you will do after receiving that sudden cash or good news. Visualize and believe that it is coming true. Imagining things add more happiness to your life and your vibration becomes more effective. It will reach the universe faster and you will receive whatever you're dreaming of faster. Now, another seventh way is to improve yourself. The situation will not change on its own just by thinking. You have to change your inner self. For this reason, self improvement is important. Apply and follow your good habits. Vow to make yourself the best version of yourself. I'm still working to be a better me and make myself a better version to attract anything in my life. Of course, it is a lifelong process, friends. Eighth way is to focus on abundance. When you focus on abundance, you see abundance everywhere as you will be aligned to it. Ninth way is to put things into practice. Haven't you heard, friends? Practice makes a man perfect. So practice self-improvement, positive thinking, gratitude, and stop complaining. You will be perfectly aligned with the abundance in the universe. The universe is already a composition of all these qualities, friends. So you have to firmly believe these qualities to be in alignment. So these were the ways to start attracting money and become a money magnet. I hope you have decided to follow the ways to be a money magnet. Do like, share, and subscribe to this channel, that is Sandy's Reiki Care. Friends, you can log on to this channel for more such holistic lifestyle videos. The link is given in the description below. Thank you and bye for now.